So today in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and quick demonstration on the Anker Prime ultra fast charging power station. And this was supplied to me by Anker for the purposes of this video, but all thoughts on the build and the efficiency of this charger are going to be my own. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is just going to be a very quick unboxing and little demonstration of this charger, which, like I said, was supplied to me by Anker for the purposes of this video. So there is the power station, heavier than I thought actually. It's got some weight to it. Let's see what else you get in the box. So in this little compartment here, you get your mains power adapter, and some paperwork as well. Anything else in these? No. So there's no plug with this mains power adapter, which is quite interesting actually. But nevertheless, let's just pop that to the side. And here is the Anker power station. So there it is. It's a really nice looking device, and you've got 6 ports on there, and then there's your power supply on the back there. So what's great about this power station, as you can see, is the size of it. Now it uses gallium nitride, which allows the power station to be more efficient with its power delivery and being able to make it in such a small package. And it packs up to 200 watts of power, and you can get up to 22.5 watts of power coming from these USB-C A ports, and then each of these USB-C ports can deliver up to 100 watts of power. And of course that is going to be split down the more ports that you use for your charging. So if I just get the power supply, right, so here's the power supply. Just pop that into the back like that. And let's count myself lucky that I have an adapter, because as kind as they were to supply me with this power station, they didn't supply me with a UK cable. So let's just plug her in. So she's all plugged in, and now I can test out just a couple of devices charging with this new power station. Okay, so I've got a couple of devices here that I can plug in and a few means of charging. So I've got a USB-A to USB-C cable here, USB-C to C, and another USB-C to C here. So I'll just pop that into that one there, and I'll plug this into the Umidigi G9 5G, another phone that I was provided free of charge, and I've got a video on that if you want to check that out. I also have the OnePlus 11, which unfortunately I didn't get for free, so I'll pop in there. Apparently no result. There we go. So fast charging on there, charging rapidly, full in 1 hour 13 minutes on there. And then my last port, if I pop into the, and then I've got the, get rid of that, the Ulefone Tab W10, which I can also charge as well. And that should theoretically give, although it's only saying charging, although probably not the best example to be fair, only supports 10 watt charging on this tablet. But of course you do get the option of charging multiple devices with a small power station, nice and convenient size, should I say. So that could potentially just sit there on my desk, my laptop will be here, and I can charge basically anything I want. So that's just a very, very quick look at this pretty cool power station. I'm a bit new to testing products that aren't smartphones or tablets, so you do have to bear with. But overall, it's a really nice, compact and efficient way to charge multiple devices. And if you look online, it's about 80 quid. But for what you're getting, multiple fast charging ports, a nice compact design, nice and sturdy, premium materials, I think this is a really great option. Rubber feet on the bottom to keep it in place. Overall, a really great looking device. So let me know down in the comments what you think of this Anker power station. Is it something you'd consider buying? And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this or smartphone related topics and tablets. And I'll see you in the next one.